Here's my weak ass attempt at an unboxing video. Hey guys, Sheila here from Media Vandals. In today's video, we are unboxing the Best Self journal. This is a super weak ass attempt at an unboxing video, but we're going to give it a shot anyways. Make sure you hit the little bell notification and the subscribe button because we post new videos every week. We also go live every Thursday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to teach you how to grow your business through things like digital marketing, websites, and organic traffic through content. So again, hit that subscribe button, click the little bell notification, and let's jump into the video. So this is my Best Self journal, and it comes with morning and evening ritual cards. It comes with the actual journal. It comes with the guidebook, which is like 34 pages long. I read it already, and it shows you how to use the journal to its best. And it's got this super big 13-week goal thing that you can post on your wall and fill out what your goals are and what your reward is and track it over 13 weeks. So the journal itself is 13 weeks, and it's got a whole bunch of stuff in here. That's why there's a guidebook. And it's like weekly planning, reflection, breaking down your days, win the day scores, plan for reality, things you did throughout the week. What do we got here? There's some blank pages for doodling on. Your today's goals, today's targets, what I'm grateful for, a habit tracker, your mood. So a whole bunch of cool stuff. I've already read the guidebook. I'm about to watch the get starting video and start filling this thing out. And hopefully, if I carry around this thing with me every single day, I will actually use it. And over the next 13 weeks between this and our accountability calls, hoping to roll out something good. Cheers.